Do you want to boost your brain power? Are you keen on enhancing your memory? Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of food and neuroscience. Today, we'll uncover 10 amazing foods that can help improve your brain functioning and boost your memory. Imagine, just by tweaking your diet, you could unlock new levels of mental prowess. Intrigued? Excited? Well, you should be. It's time to explore how to feed your brain for optimum performance. Stay tuned as we delve into the first 5 brain-boosting foods. First on our list is blueberries. These tiny orbs of goodness are packed with antioxidants. When these antioxidants interact with our brain, they delay brain aging and improve memory. They achieve this by neutralizing harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation, and enhancing communication between brain cells. Next up is turmeric. This golden spice has been hailed for its health benefits for centuries, especially in traditional Indian medicine. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells therein. It's a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been linked to improvements in memory. Now, let's talk about broccoli. This green veggie is high in antioxidants and vitamin K. Why is vitamin K important, you ask? Well, it's believed to support brain health and is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. The fourth food on our list is pumpkin seeds. They contain a rich source of antioxidants and a vast amount of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Each of these nutrients is important for brain health. For instance, antioxidants protect the brain from damage, while magnesium is essential for learning and memory. Iron deficiency is often linked with impaired brain function, which makes pumpkin seeds a great snack for your brain. Last but not least, we have dark chocolate. It's more than just a delicious treat. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder are packed with a few brain-boosting compounds, including flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Flavonoids are a group of antioxidant plant compounds that are particularly beneficial for the brain. They gather in the areas of the brain that deal with learning and memory. We're halfway through our list. Ready to discover the next 5 brain-enhancing foods? Moving on, our 6th food is oranges. These citrus delights are chock full of vitamin C, a key nutrient for preventing mental decline. Consuming oranges can help fight off brain-aging diseases and improve overall mental sharpness. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that combats free radicals which can damage brain cells. In essence, it's like a shield protecting your brain from wear and tear. Next up is green tea. Not only is it a comforting beverage, but it also boasts multiple benefits for the brain. Green tea is a source of caffeine which can boost brain function, but that's not all. This brew is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which can safeguard the brain against aging and diseases. Additionally, compounds in green tea can enhance brain plasticity, which is vital for learning and memory. Our 8th food is a versatile group, nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, and a significant amount of vitamin E, known for its brain health benefits. Regular consumption of nuts and seeds can enhance memory and cognition. For example, sunflower seeds contain thiamine, a type of B vitamin that increases brain function and memory recall. Now, let's talk about coffee. Love it or hate it, coffee is a fantastic brain booster. It's not just the caffeine that wakes up your brain, but it also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the brain. Plus, regular coffee consumption is linked with a reduced risk of neurological diseases. So that morning cup of joe is doing more than just shaking off the sleep. Lastly, we have fatty fish. Often labeled as brain food, fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are beneficial for brain health because they slow mental decline and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. They also play a crucial role in sharpening memory and improving mood. That rounds up our list. Now, let's do a quick recap. Just to refresh your memory, here are the 10 foods we discussed. First, we dove into the benefits of blueberries and turmeric. Next, we explored the brain-boosting properties of broccoli and pumpkin seeds. Then we discussed how oranges and eggs can enhance memory. We also touched on the power of green tea and dark chocolate. And finally, we learned about the brain health benefits of nuts and fatty fish. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet can be a game changer for your brain health. Stay sharp and stay healthy.